Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take your customer relationship management to the next level, Zoho CRM is the perfect tool for you. Zoho CRM helps businesses track and manage customer interactions, sales, and marketing efforts all in one place. Today, we'll explore how to effectively manage customer relationships using Zoho CRM to boost your business's efficiency. Let's dive in. 1. Setting up Zoho CRM. First, create an account on Zoho CRM and log into your dashboard. Customize your CRM settings to match your business needs, including adding your company logo and adjusting user permissions. 2. Adding your contacts. Start by importing existing contacts or adding them manually. You can add details like name, email, phone number, and company name to each contact. Use tags to categorize contacts based on specific criteria, e.g., leads, prospects, clients. 3. Managing sales and deals. Navigate to the Deals section to track sales opportunities. Add information about your deals, including the stage, expected value, and closing date. Zoho CRM provides a visual sales pipeline so you can easily track the progress of each deal. 4. Automating tasks and reminders. Set up automated workflows to handle repetitive tasks like sending follow-up emails or reminders for calls. Zoho CRM allows you to schedule reminders for meetings, tasks, and important deadlines. 5. Tracking customer interactions. Use Zoho CRM to log every interaction with your customers, whether it's via email, phone call, or chat. You can also view activity history, ensuring you're always up to date on your customers' needs. 6. Analyzing reports and metrics. Zoho CRM provides customizable reports to analyze your sales performance, customer behavior, and team efficiency. Use these insights to improve your strategy and make data-driven decisions. 7. Integrating with other tools. Zoho CRM integrates seamlessly with other Zoho apps and third-party tools, such as email marketing platforms and social media. These integrations help streamline your entire workflow. By using Zoho CRM, you can better manage relationships, increase sales, and improve communication with your customers. It's a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.